I'm Stephanie McIlroy. I was part of the 2017 June bootcamp for front-end development, and I had Adam as my instructor. So I'm a front-end developer at Accenture. I work out of the 3DC, which is our Detroit Digital Delivery Center. And I also work with Pillar Technology, which is a recent Accenture acquisition, and I'm on a project with them right now out in Ann Arbor. I started with Accenture right after boot camp, so it has been about a year full-time. Before that, I was a contractor with them for 6 months within their apprenticeship program. Keep up the job search. Apply to many jobs, and you just have to keep applying. Make sure that your GitHub is up to date. You're practicing your skills. Don't lose hope. It will happen. Just keep at it. Yeah, I would say that networking has been extremely helpful and important for me. I go to a lot of different meetups, specifically the GCP meetup I've been to a couple times. Always good to meet new people in tech, learn different concepts, can bring that back to the work that you're doing. I've also given a couple different talks. I've become very passionate about accessibility, and so I've been able to build my network in that sphere. So it's been really helpful to meet new people, to get to know them. I would say the best way is to reach out to me on LinkedIn. Just send me a message and we can get in contact there. Love to support any way I can. It's challenging going into a different career, a new career where you're just starting out, but just keep at it. Just keep learning, stay hungry. I mean, it will happen, and you look back at a couple months from now and it's all going to be worth it.